Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Villeroy Boch Vivo frying pan. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Villeroy Boch Vivo frying pan, and this one is in the 28cm size or 28cm in diameter. And taking a look around the box packaging, there's some information about the Vivo sub-brand, as well as some features of the Vivo frying pan in various languages. And at the back or bottom of the box, there are some safety labels or compatibility of this frying pan. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling out the box tab and popping up the box flap to reveal the Villeroy Boch Vivo frying pan. Now let's slide it out from its box packaging. And of course checking the box to make sure we've not left anything behind, and there is a booklet inside, and just checking through that the box has been emptied. Okay, so just closing up the box and setting it to the side. Let's set it to the right hand side of the table, and just checking through it, making sure nothing else is stuck in that card insert in the packaging, and just setting the contents out across the tabletop so you have a nice clear view of this Villeroy Boch Vivo frying pan in the 28cm size or 28cm in diameter. Okay, let's start off by taking a look at this booklet. So it comes with a use and care instructions booklet. And let's flip it open to reveal the contents inside. So there is a table of contents, and of course the care and use instructions in various languages. And this is the English section. And the other sections in various languages. Okay, so that's the use and care instructions for the Villeroy Boch Vivo frying pan. So I'm just going to set it on the left hand side of the table, and moving on to the frying pan itself, you can see that it is bagged or covered in a recyclable clear plastic bag. Let's remove that clear plastic bag and of course recycle or reuse that thoughtfully, and now giving you a nice clear and unobstructed view of this frying pan. And I'm going to flip it over as well, so you have once again that full and clear view. So you can see that this frying pan is made out of stainless steel, and it does have a 28cm diameter across the width of the pan. And taking a look at the various details, so you can see that the handle is stainless steel as well. And taking a close-up look on the underside of this Vivo frying pan by Villeroy Boch. You can see the care and safety labels, as well as its compatibility being glass ceramic and electric, gas and induction safe. So it's compatible for conventional hobs as well as induction and glass ceramic hobs. So taking a close-up look into the frying pan, you can see the surface on the inside. So it is dimpled like a golf ball, as you can see, with those tiny dimples on its surface. So giving you, as best I can, a look on the surface inside this frying pan. And you can see it does have a satin finish on the rim or sides of the frying pan. And giving you a look at the kind of dish and overall shape. And construction and design of this Villeroy and Boch Vivo frying pan in the 28cm size. And taking a look at the handle as well, giving you a complete and full view. So it does have a highly polished finish with some brushed or satin finish elements as well, as you can see with the base or underside of this frying pan, and of course the outside surface as well. I'm giving you some idea as to the thickness or density of this frying pan and its stainless steel construction. It's right there. Giving you some close-up details once again. And of course giving you some sense of the size with its 28cm diameter. So 28 centimeters across the widest point of the frying pan. So that's the Villeroy and Boch Vivo frying pan. Thanks for watching and happy frying!